So in this current market trend and expecting the market to go positive in coming years, do you think it is the right time for the recruiting companies to build their teams? Samir, if you are a CEO of a staffing organization at this point of time, what would
Yeah, look,
your what
I
would you
mean,
do?
if you look at this recent SIA staffing report, industry forecast
Mhm.
report, even just to, I'm just looking at them, and there are other reports too. Um, all the reports are pointing to the 2025 rebound, right?
Hmm.
I'm not saying it's going to be a massive rebound, but there will be a positive turn in almost all segments of the staffing market industry, right?
Hmm.
So if so probably, my it's my personal gut feel. I think we have seen the dip.
Please.
We have seen the bottom, right? I think from now onwards, I think if anything that goes, it goes up towards the positive, right? So
Hmm.
if you're a staffing firm, and if you have some specialization, some expertise, you start build your teams, start build your pipeline, and start engage with their
Hmm.
customers. And at this point in time, if you get a rec, you address all the recs that comes your way, whether you get a placement or not. So at least
Hmm.
your clients recognize that you're putting hard work, you're putting an effort.
Efforts.
So they give you more opportunities because you are being sincere and hardworking, and you're bringing this type of talent. So it's a showcase time for you to build the talent. If it's a times like this, you make an attempt
Hmm.
for every requisition comes your way, whether you get a placement or not. I mean, that would give you a good positive footprint for you when things turns back, and you would be the first staffing company, or you're the top 10 staffing companies that wants to engage you, because at rough times you stayed with them, and you continue to work with.
Hmm.
So it's important that you start preparing yourself, be ready for that, the marginal rebound that you're going to see 2025, and probably a bigger rebound beyond
Hmm.
that.